Praise the Lord. Let's say praise the Lord again. Can I let the Lord have his way for the next few minutes? We ready? There was a man in the Bible that the Lord had spoken to go down to a certain city and to preach the gospel there. And he didn't want to go. Look out. And when he made up his mind he wasn't going, God prepared a whale and said, when I get through with you, you'll go. God rose on a windstorm. God rose in a windstorm. God rose in a windstorm. God rose in a windstorm and in trouble. Yeah. God sent Jonah to Nineveh land to preach the gospel to the wicked man. Jonah got a little angry, didn't want to go. Now a little ship, he got on board. Ship began to rock from side to side. Everybody got a little trouble in their mind. They searched the ship out in the deep. Found old man Jonah was fast asleep. They said, wake up, stranger, tell me your name. Name is Jonah, here's my claim. He said, all this trouble on the account of me. Throw me overboard and let the ship sail free. God rose in the wind. God rose. God rose in the wind and in trouble. Oh, throw me overboard. Throw me overboard. Throw me overboard. Oh, throw me overboard. Yeah, God sent Jonah in a burning. Preach the gospel, a wicked man. Jonah got a little angry. He didn't want to go. He found a little ship. He got on board. Ship began to rock from side to side. Everybody had trouble in mind. They searched the ship out on the deep. Found old man Jonah fast asleep. They said, wake up, stranger. Tell me your name. 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 My name is Jonah. Here's my claim. In all of this trouble on the count of me. Throw me overboard and let the ship sail free. God rose. God rose. Oh yes it did. Oh God rose. In the wind and in trouble. Oh, throw me overboard. Throw me overboard. Oh, throw me overboard. Oh, throw me overboard. In Jesus. In Jesus. In Jesus. Oh, in Jesus. Yeah. Come on, clap your hands and praise. Listen, you know Jonah didn't want to